The best hackers in the world aren't using Windows or macOS. In fact, their operating systems are so powerful, some governments have tried to ban them. These are the top 5 hacker OS of 2025, and why using the wrong one could expose you instantly. Before we begin, this is for educational purposes only. These operating systems are legal to download, but if you use them to break the law, that's on you. Ethical hacking is about securing systems, not destroying them. At number 5, Black Arch Linux. If Kali Linux is a Swiss Army knife, Black Arch is an entire military base. Over 2,800 hacking tools, all pre-installed. Password crackers, exploit frameworks, wireless sniffers. If you can think of an attack, Black Arch probably has a tool for it. But there's a catch. This OS is built on Arch Linux, meaning it's not for beginners. No hand-holding, no shortcuts. If you don't know what you're doing, you'll get lost before you even start. For pros, it's the ultimate arsenal. For newbies, it's like handing a jet fighter to someone who's never driven a car. 4. Parrot Security OS. Parrot Security OS isn't just about hacking. It's about vanishing while you do it. Built with penetration testing in mind, it also comes loaded with privacy tools, secure communications, encrypted file sharing, even anonymous browsing out of the box. Where Black Arch is a brute force assault, Parrot is a spy's briefcase, sleek, silent, and deadly in the right hands. It's lightweight, runs fast on almost any machine, and doesn't scream hacker just by looking at it. Perfect for those who want their work to be invisible. 3. Tails OS. Some operating systems are made for attack. Tails OS is made for escape. You don't install Tails. You boot it from a USB stick. And when you shut it down, everything is gone. No history, no saved files, no breadcrumbs for investigators to follow. It routes all your internet traffic through Tor, making it extremely hard to track you. Tails is often used by journalists, whistleblowers, and yes, hackers who want to cover their tracks. It's not built for hacking directly, but as a layer of protection. It's one of the best disappearing acts you can perform. Hey guys, if you've enjoyed this video to this point, please make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. These videos take quite a lot of time to make, so if you could help me out, I'll love you forever. On this channel I upload videos about ethical hacking and hacking documentaries like famous hacks, hackers and groups, criminal hacking, and many more. 2. Kali Linux. Kali Linux is a legend. If you've ever searched how to learn hacking, you've seen this name, preloaded with hundreds of penetration testing tools, from Wi-Fi cracking to website exploitation. Kali is the OS that taught thousands of hackers their first moves. It's beginner-friendly, but powerful enough for professionals. And in 2025, it's still a staple in cybersecurity. But here's the truth. Kali isn't the most secure OS on this list. It's an offensive powerhouse, but if you get sloppy, you can still be traced. And finally, Qubes OS. In a world where hackers attack everything, even hackers, Qubes is the ultimate defense. It doesn't just separate your work into folders. It isolates your entire activities into cubes, virtual machines that can't talk to each other. If one cube gets compromised, the others stay untouched. It's like having multiple computers inside one, each locked in its own steel vault. It's trusted by journalists, activists, and some of the most skilled hackers alive. Because in 2025, the smartest hack is not getting hacked yourself. The right operating system isn't just software. It's a shield, a weapon, a ghost mask. Some OSes will make you fast. Some will make you invisible. Some will make you untouchable. But remember, an OS doesn't make you a hacker. Skill does. And skill comes from learning, testing, and always staying one step ahead. So, which OS would you trust with your digital life? Let me know that in the comment section.